Yeah, we the generation we there in the great nation, in the great depression, in the great oppression. Yeah, we the generation. Yes, I. We is the ones who are witnessing the fall of Babylon kingdom. It gone down, Babylon, your kingdom gone. Me sing Babylon, your kingdom it gone. Whoa, and I know that the sweet music, it will come back in the dance salon. Babylon, your system gone. Yeah, Babylon, wrong, your system it gone. You can't get it back here now, Babylon. I cannot believe like what me ancestry them say, yeah, I saw the day, yeah, when Babylon shall fall. Yes, my people, fanatics, folks, audience, big up on yourself out there, see me. They up on the Fantasy World Radio, see it. Yeah, man. As a radio station, others entertainment, some of the entertainment, you see me. Our Agwan in a Jah nation. Our Agwan in a creation. Rasta rapper give you different style and know that me is wicked and wild and I'm one versatile and when me do this from me a little child. Little child is me do it all the while. Little child me say me do it all the while. Me say me wicked and wild. Me do it when me angry and me do it when me smile. Me do it when me good and me do it when me say me well versatile. Me say me do it from yo the people I'm out in the nation. Yes, bless, cause you never stress. Yes, bless. Oh, we are trying to carry down higher frequency out the energy of the universe. See me, that put everyone first. Aye. Up top. Glory be to the Most High, Jah Rastafari King Selassie. See how the thing set Fantasy World audience. Out here with it. Big up on yourself, people, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, revolution is here. And if you don't see my face on a TV screen, that means that the revolution will not be televised. You see what I mean? If you don't see me on the TV screen, it means that the revolution will not be televised. See what I mean? I say, see what I mean. You better see what I mean. The Rasta man, and I'm the title, and I'm all the green. But don't you ever dare call me Mr. Bean, the Rasta, and I'm the title, when I'm all the green. But don't you ever dare call me Mr. Bean. But don't you ever call me Mr. Bean. Because if you ever look for my queen, jeez, bad man will make them see the M6. Jeez, cause you know what we call this murder in the street. Police and bad man, them a fight and them packing big guns and heat out in the street. Black blood that shed and it's not sweet out on the street. Out there no sweet. Yes, my people over out. Big update. Never you be late. Yes, Fantasy World Rasta, but you don't know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I know what the reggae rapper said. We up top. It never flop. Glory be to the Most High, Jah Rastafari. And that's we I tell them, so we have to bless the most. Yo, glory to the Most High, Jah Rastafari. I make you know, say, yo, bless up the audience, folks, about the energy. Blessed. Left on the likes and the comments, you see me. Tell me what you think about one of the world states of affair and all those things, my people, you see me. One day without the vibration, different meds again. Always growing the channel up top. You understand? Respect to all of the people them. Oh, subscribe and like and do all of them things, you know, before I reach all 1,000K. I don't know. Respect to all of them support me on this way, yeah. You see me? Don't worry about people. Stay tuned. Share the shit. You understand? Vampires of the city, they see blood. Yes, Vampires of the city, them seek blood. Them a seek blood. Oh, them a seek blood. Yes, my fanatic for folks, man. So see me, big up on yourself, because you don't know when I see blood and over and out, and have a great day, good evening, good night, anyone of the day. Eat them the real good with the good beverage, just like how right now, the heat turn up there, I turn up with some cold beverage, ever hear that? Cold beverage. Yeah, man, over and out. Let's get the evil out, the people when I act right. Yeah. I make we get the wicked out of the people them when I right. Good night.